I'd like to give you a quick overview on what our Skyprint can do. We've just added some new functionality where you can choose to print either automatically, that would mean the quantity that you enter in at the quantity prompt. You can be prompted for the number of labels to print after you enter a quantity, or you can go with manual. Once you turn it on, the print icon will be green until you turn it off. And if I would have just printed, it would have been automatic. Now I'm going to show you what you can do if you forget to turn that on. You can come back to the prompt. You can turn it on, and you will notice that I do get my label. This is the information that you can put on the label. As you can see, our print quantity is 2 because the quantity I entered in at the quantity prompt was 2. We have time and all the rest of the information. So if I turn that off, turn it back on, and go with prompt, now I can enter in the same item, same lot, and I can say that the quantity that I am issuing is 12. The number of labels that I want is 1. What's going to happen now is I'm going to get a label with a quantity of 12 printed on the label, and the print quantity of labels that would come out of the printer would be 1. Manual process is still the same as it was before, where you have to put in the quantity and then you have to press print. You have to choose manual once, and then it's going to remember that setting. So now that it knows that I want manual, I can go through this process as many times as I like, and now would be the time that I press the print button. I will get the prompt. Skyprint has the ability to allow you to choose a printer depending on the options that you have set up. If you want everything to be automatic, you can skip this whole process, and depending on the label's designs associated with the user, you could pick a label through this process as well. So those are nice features. Okay, so the process for PO is pretty much the same as I just showed you. You could include the PO number as well. I'd like to show you the shipping process because it does allow you to do more. Going to work with this item again. Enter my lot number, my quantity. Once again, same feature. I could have turned printing on at the item prompt before I entered, or if I forget, I can go in and do it now. Alright, so it'll print me a label for that run that I just completed, and you will notice that I do have a lot more information available here. The additional information that's pretty nice on this is that you can print a packing label, and that's a complete demonstration of what our new Skyprint can do.